In tip number 7, I suggested you create an outline for each of your videos, providing you've included the key elements of your video, from the hook to the call to action, and structured the key points in between. You effectively have a guide or a route map that will help you decide what resources and assets you're going to need to bring to the screen. This is what I call assembling the right cast. Now, your cast members, as it were, don't have to be real people. You may decide to use images, text, stock footage, music, or whatever is appropriate to get each of your key points across to your viewers. The choices that you make here can make or break your video, so choose your cast wisely. Your budget will have a big influence, of course, but even on a small budget you can still make a great video, so don't let that hold you back. Once you've identified each of your cast members, assemble them all inside your working project folder so they're right where you need them when it's time for the camera to roll.